good tip, Brock.
Yeah. Today we're doing new exhaust. First step is undo this bolt.
These two bolts.
Undo these 2 bolts. Here and here.
Here.
Here. And here. I'm gonna get the really big impact. Nice, pretty close. It's actually pretty spot on, actually.
Nice shot.
Time to literally cut the exhaust. Right in the hanger. We gotta remove the hanger. Use pliers.
A hanger tool.
A hanger tool?
Yeah.
What's a hanger tool?
It's literally a tool to remove hangers. Get a photo of that.
Took off ball.
Aztec.
Dude.
What? This is the greatest car in all of Fast and Furious franchise. In Fast and Furious, in the 4th one, Paul Walker drives this car, and there's 2 versions. There's a silver.
On it, if it's Paul Walker.
It's actually
It's
actually Brian.
Brian Subaru Direct. There's 2 liveries for this one. There's this one, and then there's a gray one with like black wheel arches, and it looks really sick. And I actually recreated it in the Need for Speed game with Ken Block. It's pretty cool. A lot of people actually used my design because they're like, damn bro, this is like exactly like the movie. This is my favorite game. Stop. You want a cookie? Basically, this is my childhood go-kart.
we're gonna take it to the shop.
Oh, dude, they're they DB'd.
Huh? Oh, for real?
Oh shit.
That's funny.
I think they've been like that.
This guy does not have Winex on his bed. Cause this, we could get this up in the back. Up in there. Okay, for sure.
Alright, what's going on, Wade?
So right now, Ben's pulling up with the tractor to hopefully get this out. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we'll see. We'll see. Don't do it like that.
That's how they said to do it. Damn it. Stop being on fire.
Oh, don't kick me so hard.
That's the pipe. I would have had to cut. I would have had to cut it anyway, but I could use.
You could use half of it and make it up to like here, and then this is gonna be that. It's so. It's like a resonator delete.
Yeah, it's a resonator and a single exit conversion.
It's gonna be so much louder. Drop it really hard. And the crooked. Not on it. Hey, that worked. This is the reason why this exhaust is so good is because this is the exhaust that was on the IS300 sedan.
Yeah.
So this is the one that they bought that came on the car. So they didn't. So random people put this exhaust.
This already won't work, so I already need to extend this anyway. So I might as well just like cut this pipe. I mean, yeah, it would be something like that.
What the is this hanger, bro?
Because I'll have to cut this. That might work.
Well, well, well.
Put it right here. Put it right here.
It's gonna get stuck in the mud, bro. You can't. Well, well, well.
Welcome to the 1,000 horsepower F-150 build.
It's true.
Oh, hello, dog. It's a lot bigger than it seems.
Damn, Buck.
That's not bad. I think I can make that work. This should work. I'm basically chopping this so that it'll bridge that gap. It's very professional and not sketchy and stupid at all. Is that what I need? Is that actually? No way this is working. Alright, over here.
It's a nice hat.
Thank you, sir. You see this?
What is he doing?
And then we chop it.
Bro, that's tits. That's like it, bro.
That might honestly be.
Give me a Sharpie.
Put that on there.
Okay, that's what you say is. Hold on.
It's not like you.
Yeah, look at.
That's actually crazy.
Bro, that's bad.
Yes!
So stupid. Yeah, out of the go kart.
I think you need some power steering fluid.
Does it go hard? Lead welding on rusty metal. Where does it go? Is it like that?
Is this shit hot? Okay, it's not.
Is the hanger hot? Feel it with like the back of your hand.
I can feel it from right there.
Oh, f the hanger just slipped off.
It looks like shit. Professional exhaust setup.
It sounds like a cat bag.
It
Yeah,
sounds like
it does.
it sounds like a shit exhaust.
It's not that bad.
If you have a welder, you can do it too.
Shout out to @Blazy for hooking us up with this exhaust.
For real.
Yep. Yeah. Subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Subscribe to my OnlyFans.
Let's make magic.